and you know what you need to do, and you begin to execute on it, it bridges that gap. I just got to talking to someone today, a great leader of an organization. She's striving for greatness with everything she does. And I told her about the 3 E's of leadership. And the 3 E's is this. Write it down. Please write it. It's not in this training. When you begin the 3 E, the first E is this. Execute. Say it with me. Execute.
Execute.
I mean, you execute on those things you need to do within your organization. Those things you need to change about yourself. Those things that you've been saying you want to do, but you haven't done. Say the next E.
The next E.
Evaluate.
Empower. Execute and empower. Empower means when you begin to execute on these things, you do them and you make sure they happen. You make sure they happen to the proficiency that you may have. It will empower you to do bigger and greater things. Do you agree?
Yep.
The third E. Say third E.
30.
Excel. You need to execute, you need to empower, and you will excel. Because when you put that third E into place, that's when you will excel to higher heights within your organization, higher heights within your business, higher heights with those around you. It all starts with who?
You. Me.
That's it. Now let's go on to the next one.